What's up, gentlemen? So when it comes to attraction, there are a lot of different factors that play into it, right? Everything from your confidence to how you interact with others, but also some things that are physical, right? The way that you look, your bone structure, your hair color, your eye color, your deep voice, whether or not you have a beard, but also your body. But according to research, all muscles were not created equal when it comes to attraction. Today, guys, I want to go over the 5 muscles that women find the most attractive. So for this video, guys, I'm going to go over the muscles that have been identified by women as the most attractive and sexually desirable, but I'm also going to go over the ways that, in my opinion, are best to build them. Whose opinion? My opinion, right? My opinion, my experience, because I can already see it. Whenever I talk about fitness and exercise, you're like, Jeff Cavalier said that, you're wrong. Or Jeff Nipper said that, no, Alpha, you're suck, you suck. Do you even lift? Which brings me to the first little disclaimer in this, all right? I'm going to talk about specific muscles that the research says is sexy, but in order to have a strong, amazing body, you need to work every single muscle. It's about symmetry and it's about balance. The second disclaimer is that you can develop an amazing body without the use of performance-enhancing drugs or TRT. Even though it's cool, even though it's trendy, even though you see a lot of people on social media doing it, I am a testament to a healthy lifestyle, consistency. You can build an incredible body for you, but do not compare yourself to somebody else online that's juiced to the gills. And the last tip I'd like to give you, if you're somebody that is just starting, or you're a little bit stagnant or stuck, or you're not getting the results that you want, I want to recommend an app that I've been using. It's called the Alpha Progression app. I've talked about it before. It is the best thing I've ever found, and I even developed my own. All right, this app is like a no BS approach to building muscle and helping you basically work through the progressive overload process. So I have tried hundreds of fitness apps over the years, and like I said, I even developed my own for bodybuilding.com. All right, I'm glad that Alpha Progression wasn't out then, because this thing kicks every app I've ever used. All right, it's all about the programming. It builds a program for you based on you and your needs. It's custom, and that's the thing that I love. You get to go in and actually tell it things like, how many days a week do you want to work out? What muscle groups do you want to focus on? What equipment you have? And then it's going to generate plans and keep track of everything. And it's custom. That's the thing. It's going to give you recommendations for the different weights that you should use in order to help you progress through and get stronger and build muscle better. Guys, this is a no BS approach. It's science-based. There's over like a quadrillion different input categories. Guys, I love this app. You guys are going to love it. I'm telling you, if you are looking to take your results to the next level, you should check it out. And right now, you can actually try it for free for 14 days. The Progression app has been a huge game changer for me, because I honestly was in a little bit of a fitness rut. I was doing the motions, I was going to the gym like normal, but I wasn't seeing the results that I was looking for. And so I started trying and using this app, and it was like next level. These programs, guys, are like better than you're gonna get from a lot of like pros out there that are charging like $500 to make you a custom program. And right now, guys, the price is insane. It's actually free for 14 days to try. You also are gonna get 20% off whichever membership you want. If you use the code ALPHAM, you're gonna get 20% off whichever membership you grab, whether or not it's a month-to-month or the year, which is what I would personally recommend, because with the 20% off, guys, it is a huge, absolute no-brainer. You're gonna be hooked, you're gonna love it, you're gonna start seeing results literally instantly. It's gonna help you build a better body faster. All right, guys, so now let's go over the 5 muscles that women find most attractive. See if they're the same ones you find most attractive on dudes. Whatever. Don't tell me that when you see a dude and he's got an amazing booty, muscular glutes, that you're not like, damn, bro must squat. I'm totally kidding. Or am I? I'm kidding. What I'm not kidding about, however, is that women find a nice, round, luscious booty incredibly desirable and sexy. But how are you going to develop a more luscious booty? What exercise is best? I know some dudes are like, yo, hip thrusts, right? You see people, everybody's doing it in the gym, right? Women are doing it like crazy. When the truth is that there's actually been some research that's come out that shows that nice, deep squats actually activate your glutes much better than hip thrusts. Deep squats basically activate like every muscle in your body. The other amazing thing about doing the big lifts like squats is that it actually is going to help increase your testosterone level, because when you lift heavy shit and move a lot of muscles in terms of compound movements, your body is more willing to release that mythical, magical, amazing hormone testosterone. Now, the next muscle group may not surprise you, and that is abs. But obliques, right? Those nice, sexy finger muscles muscles that are running all along the side of your abs were also, in some studies, one of the muscles, right, that women find crazy, sexy, and attractive. Now, obliques and that whole region down there, also, that muscle, right, that whole V cut down there, it's all tied together. It's your core, it's your midsection. Now, the truth is that the only way you're gonna get your sexy ass midsection to show is if you have a low body fat percentage. All the crunches, all the ab work in the world is not gonna give you abs if your body fat is too high. And so, how are you gonna reduce your body fat? Reduce the amount of calories you're consuming, increase the amount of calories that you're actually burning. But one of my secrets is that if you develop your abs in terms of working them and building them and increasing the depth of the separation between the muscles, your body fat can actually go up a little bit and still have your abs show. And so for me, what I love doing is actually cable crunches, right? Cable crunches, you're at a cable machine, right? You have ropes, you have a bar, whatever. I'll do them even standing and just a small little contraction. Keep my booty tucked in and it's a small little squeeze, right? I'll do those. I'll also do some decline abs with a weight or a ball. I'll do some leg lifts, guys. Abs are one of my favorite body parts to work. You got to work them in order for your abs to show when your body fat gets low. The next muscle that women go, woo, loco over is nice, firm, well-developed pecs. I'm not talking man boobs here, gentlemen. I'm talking pecs. All right, they are firm, they are ripped, they are chiseled, they are big, they are strong. How are you gonna do it? Bench press. The research is in, amigos, that the bench press is the #1 exercise that a dude can do to build a strong ass chest. The bench press is the best exercise out there for building strength in your chest. But there are some other exercises that over the years I have just loved, and I do every single chest workout, and I personally feel it's helped me develop a better chest. Body weight dips are one of my all-time favorite exercises to do for chest, right? I'll even add like a little bit of weight because I'm kind of light in order to make it a little bit more challenging. Now, the cool thing is that even if you're not strong enough to do them, they have the machines where you can actually stand on it. It'll take some weight off you and you can do those body weight dips. But they are, in my opinion, a must-have. The next body part that is sexy as hell in terms of those spicy senoritas wanting to rip your clothes off are shoulders, right? Delts, of course, because a nice taper drop from the shoulders down to your waist. My God, it's sexy. It shows fertility, it shows vitality, and it shows that you get your ass in the gym, all right? Now, in terms of delts, there are 3 parts. There's front, there's mid, there's rear. You need to work all 3 of the different heads of your shoulder and delts in order to have a nice, well-rounded shoulder, all right? If you're just doing exercises to work the front or the mid, you're going to be a little bit lacking in the rear, all right? So a few things that I love doing in terms of building my shoulders, all right? The shoulder press, a must-have, whether or not it's dumbbells or a bar. I love the shoulder press. I also love side raises. Do not worry about how much weight you're actually using. Focus on the form, focus on the contraction, and doing a nice controlled movement with a pause, all right? For me, my lateral raises, I'm using like 15, 20 pounds. That's it, right? You can change it up. You can do them seated. You can do them standing. You can change the way that your hands are, guys. There are so many different variations. It's about finding a few that you love and doing them. Now, in terms of rear delts, guys, for me, I love a rear pec deck, right? Nice and slow, nice and controlled. It's a great movement to really focus that muscle, right? And work that rear head. Now, some other options, you've got face pulls. You've also got bent over side raises, right? Where you're just lifting it up and back, guys. Find something that works for you, but make sure you're working all 3 parts of the delts. And the last super sexy muscle that women go loco over is biceps, of course, right? Because biceps are sexy. Literally, that is like the first muscle that most dudes start working out, right? And you get that pump, you're hooked, oh my God, it feels and looks amazing. But the truth is that your bicep make up 1/3 of the total size of your arm. If you really want to get your arms bigger, you do need to work biceps, of course, but focus on the triceps, right? Triceps make up 2/3 of the size of your arm. So just doing curls ain't getting it done, son. In terms of my favorite exercises for both biceps and tris, all right? So biceps, I love a straight bar curl, right? Nice and slow, nice squeeze, elbows nice and pinned to the side, pause, down. There's so many different variations of the barbell curl. It's insane. But I also love getting some lighter dumbbells and doing lots of reps, right? Lots of slow squeeze reps to really get that blood pumping and flowing into the buys. Now, in terms of triceps, I love overhead extensions. I love push downs with the pause. I love extensions with a rope. Goal crushers combined, supersetted with tricep dips, a must. Try it. You're going to love it. It's going to kick your ass, but those tries are going to feel incredible. Gentlemen, bottom line is this. In order to have an incredible body, you need to have a symmetrical body. Work all of the muscles. Total body, you need to work all of the muscles. Don't neglect any, because even though women may find certain muscles sexier than others, men need to know that a well-balanced, symmetrical body that is aesthetic is the best body to have. And guys, don't forget, hit that link down below and download the Alpha M Progression app, 14-day free trial. Use the code ALPHAM to get 20% off your membership.